Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's first online lecture and this online lecture of introduction of number system. In this introduction, today we are going to study the different topics regarding number system. Let us see. Let us see the introduction of numbers. On adding 1 to the largest digit number, we get the smallest next digit number. It means what? It means if we are adding 1 in any of the largest digit number, then we are getting the next digit smallest number. For example, 9 is the largest one digit number. If we are adding 1 in the largest one digit number, so it becomes 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 10 is considered as the smallest two digit number. So let us see which are the smallest digit number and greatest number. Smallest one digit number is 1. We can't say the smallest one digit number is 0 because 0 itself does not have any value. Therefore, we can say one digit smallest number is 1, whereas the greatest one digit number is 9. Greatest two digit number and smallest number. So we can say 10 is the smallest number, whereas 99 is the greatest number. What about the 3-digit number? The smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the greatest 3-digit number is 999. Now, the smallest 4-digit number, that is the 1000, whereas the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. If we are adding 1 in 9999, then we are getting 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000. So this 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number and greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. If we are adding again 1 in 99,999, then we are getting 1 lakh and this 1 lakh is considered as the smallest 6-digit number. So what is the greatest 6-digit number? That is the 9,99,999. Now let us see the number groups. Here some in the tables I am giving some groups to you. When we start to read any of the number, we have to put first comma and then we have to see their periods. According to their periods, we have to put the commas. So let us see first the group. First group, here it is a lakh, after that it's 1,000 and after that there is a ones group. Under the ones group, three things are there. Ones place, it's a unit place, it is denoted by O. Then after tens place, it is denoted by T. Then hundreds place, it is denoted by H. Then after there is 1,000, so here it is denoted by TH. Then it is a 10,000, it is denoted by TTH. And after that there is a lakh and lakh denoted by L. So you can see here we can see the three different groups. First one of lakh, second one of 1,000 and the third one of ones. When we are moving from ones to tens to hundreds, now when we are moving hundreds to 1,000, at that time our group is changed. So before the hundreds place we have to put comma. So we can say From the right hand side, you have to left 3 digit and put comma. Why we are putting the comma? Because the groups is change. After that, when we are moving 1000 to 10,000, we don't want to put the comma because these both numbers are of the same group. But when we are moving from 10,000 to lakh, the groups will be changed. So in that you have to put comma. So please remember this thing whenever we are moving place to place. If the groups, if the periods are going to be changed, then you have to put commas. According to their periods, according to their groups, you have to put commas. Let us see the number names. The first one is, whenever you have to write down the number names, please first you see their periods. You have to count their place. So 7 in the place of ones, then 6 in the place of tens, 5 in the place of hundreds, 9 in the place of thousand, and 2 in the place of 10,000. So after thousand place, it means we can say from the right hand side left 3 digit and put commas. So you have to write down the number name of 2929 together. So it becomes 29 in the group of 1000. So we can write down 29,000, then 567. Here another one. Again the same digit, there are the 5 digits. So 1 for ones, tens and hundreds. Then after you have to put commas because the groups will be changed, and then 6 and 5. So we can say 5 and 6 under the thousand group. So we can say 56,908. Now see the third one. There are 6 digits and in a lakh there are 6 digits. So from right hand side you have to left 3 digits. Which are the 3 digits? Ones, tens and hundreds. Then after you have to put comma, then thousand and 10,000. Again from 10,000 to 1 lakh when we are moving, you have to put one comma. Now 1 in the group of lakh. So we have to start from 1 lakh. Now 3, 4, 34 in the group of 1000. Therefore, we can say 34,789. So our answer is 1,34,789. Now the third one, next fourth one, it is same like the third one. So 6 in the group of lakh and 78 in the group of 1000. So we can say the number name for this number is 6,78,321. Next, it is also same as third and fourth. 9 in the group of lakh and 5454 in the group of 1000. Therefore, we can say 9,54,782. Let us see the numeral form. In this numeral form, I am giving number names to you and you have to convert these number names into numeral, into the number. First, 16,867. So here you can see, here our number names start from 1000 and 1000 before the 1000 there is a 16. So we have to write down first 1616. Then after our group is changed, therefore we have to put one comma, then 867. So your numeral form is 16,867. It is 867. Next number 80,786. Here it is 80,000, so you have to write down 8080 first, then put the comma because our group will be changed, and then after 786. How we can write down 786? We can write down 786 like 786. 7,44,918. So here you can see, here they were given the 7 lakh, and in a lakh how many digits are there? 6 digits are there. So we have to write down first 7, then groups will be changed, so we have to put comma, then 44,000 how we can write down 44, and then 919, so 919. So your answer is 7 comma 44,000 comma 919. Your next is 4,89,688. So 4 comma 89,000, 8989, and then 688. So your answer is 4 comma 8989 comma 688. Your next number is 9,50,685. So again here we have to write down 9 comma, then in under group of 1000 there is a 50, so write down 5050, and then after 685. These are the numeral form of numbers. Let us see the expanded form. What is the expanded form? In the expanded form, there were given one number to you and you have to write down the expand form of that number. When we are write down the expand form, we have to write down their place. We have to write down their place value. So your first number is 95,321. In this we have to write down the expanded form of first each digit. So we can say 9 under the group of 10,000. So we have to write down for 90,000 plus 5 in the place of 1000. So we have to write down 5,000 plus 3 in the place of hundreds. That's why 300 plus 20 plus 1. So we can say 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. This is the expand form of 95,321. Now you see the another one. That is 9,76,875. 9 in the place of lakh, therefore we have to write down 9 lakh. 7 in the place of 10,000, so we have to write down 70,000. 6 in the place of 1000, so we have to write down only 6,000. 8 in the place of hundreds, therefore 800, plus 7 in the place of tens, therefore 70 plus 5. So your answer is 9 lakh plus 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 5. Your another number name, your another expand form, 65,742. So 6 in the place of 10,000, therefore 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 2. This is the expanded form of 65,742. Then after 3,76,975. 3 in the place of lakh, therefore we have to write down 3 lakh. Then 7 in the place of 10,000, therefore 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 5. Your next number is 89,432. The expanded form of this number is 80,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. Now let us see the standard form. In the standard form, I am giving the expanded form of any of the number, and for that expand form you have to write down the number. Let us see how. Your first expand form is 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 2. Whenever you have to convert the expand form into standard form, please be careful. What you have to do first? If they were given 5 digits number to you, then you have to draw first 5 lines. And that 5 lines for what? 1 for ones, tens, hundreds, then after comma, then thousand and 10,000. So the number which written in the 10,000, you have to write down under the 10,000 place. The number which written on the place of the number which indicates the thousand, that number you have to write down under the place of thousand. Then after the number which indicates hundreds, that you have to write down under the hundreds group. Then in the hundreds place, then tens and ones. So the standard form of 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 2 is 23,522. Your next number is 50,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 6. Now you see here 5 indicates the 10,000, but they were not given the thousand place. So what we have to do? We have to just put 0 on thousand place. In any of the expanded form, if they were not given any of the number for a particular place, for that particular place you have to put 0. So in this question we are putting 0 in the place of 1000. So 50,346. Let us see. 1 lakh plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 9. In this they were given 6 digit and 6 place to you. So you have to write down direct number 1 lakh 56,739. Next, 5 lakh plus 6,000 plus 500 plus 8. Here you can see, here they will start from the lakh. Okay, but they were given only the 4 numbers to you for expanded form to you. Here they were not given the number for 10,000 and they were not given the number for tens place. So in this both place we have to put 0. So your answer is 5,06,500 plus 8. It becomes 508. Next, 80,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 6. So your standard form is 87, 506, 506. Let us see the place value. What we have to do in the place value? You have to write down the value of underlined digit. Okay, that underlined digit, write on which place, that you have to write down in a number. The first one, 45,509. In this you have to write down, in this underline below 4. So you have to write down the place value of 4, and the place value of 4 is 4 in the group of 1000 but under 10,000. So 40,000, that is the answer. Next, 4,87,452. In this you can see 4 in the group of lakh. Therefore, your answer is, place value of 4 is 4 lakh. Your next number is 76,432. Here you can see 4 in the place of 100. Therefore, the place value of 4 is 400. Next number is 7,32,407. Here 2 in the group of 1000. Therefore, you have to write down 2000. That is the answer of the place value of 2. Then 3,40,567. Now if 0 is any of the place value of 0 is always 0. So the place value of 0 is 0 only. Let us see the ascending order. In ascending order, we have to write down first smallest number and then we have to move on the greatest number. So in ascending order, we have to write down first smallest number and then we have to move towards the greatest number. In this four numbers, 56,894, 34,567, 97,321, and 9,999. Whenever you have to write down, you have to find out the ascending order's answer. First, you have to count the number of digits. The number of digits which have the small, that is your smallest number. So here we can say our smallest number first is 9999. Then after you see in the other three numbers, which one is the smallest number? 34,567. Then after 56,894, and then after the remaining number is 97,321. So this is the answer. So first rule to find out the answer of ascending order is that you have to first count the number of digit. Then after you have to see first digit. If the first digit are same, then you have to move on second. If second is same, then also you have to move towards the third and then respective digits. Let us see. In this next number, all the in all the numbers there are same number of digit. So you just see the first digit of all number. So here we can say 21,345 is the smallest number. Then after 32,876. Then after 67,890. And then after 89,900. In next, you can see here in a 2 number there are 6 digits and in a 2 number there is 5 digits. So what we have to write down first? The digit which have the small, which have the less number of digits that we have to write down. So here we can say 34,321 is the smallest. After that 43,231. Then after 1,89,654 and then after 6,89,400 is the ascending order. Next, here 23,321 is the smallest. After that 67,890. Then after 1,90,789 and then 6,78,432. That is the answer. Now your next number is, from this number we can say and we see also 23,567 is the smallest number. Then after 45,782 is the smallest number. Then after from remaining 2, 89,900 is the smallest. And now which one is the remaining? 1 lakh is the remaining. 1 lakh 554 543 is the answer. Now let us see the descending order. In descending order, we have to write down first greatest number and then we have to move towards the smallest number. The same rule you have to apply here. You have to first count the number of digit. In this, the number which have maximum digit, that you have to write down first. If all the number of digits are same, then you have to see their first place. If first place are same, then you have to see the second place. If second place is same, then you have to see the third one. So in this we can say 97,321 is the biggest, then 56,894, then 34,567, and then 9,999. Next number is 89,900, then 21,345, then 67,890, and then 32,876. Now you can see among these all number 89,900 is the biggest, then after 67,890, then 32,876, and in the last 21,345. Your next number is 1,89,654, then after 34,321, then 6,89,400, and then after 43,231. Among these four numbers, which one is the biggest number? 6,89,400. Then after 1,89,654, after that 43,231, and then 34,321. Your next number is 67,890, then 23,321, then 1,90,789, then 6,78,432. Among these, we can say 6,78,432 is the biggest number. Then after 1,90,789. Then after 67,890, and then after 23,321. Next 89,900, 45,782, 1 lakh 543, then 23,567. Among these all, which one is the biggest number? 1 lakh 543 is the biggest number. Then after 89,900 is the biggest. Then after 45,782. Then after 23,567. I hope you all understand these all topics very nicely and clearly. So all the best for your exam. Do more and more practice of these things. Thank you all of you.